Welcome to Stockman Original. I'm Max Ledoux, here with the original Stockman, Brian Stockman. Here at Stockman Original, we're all about showing you the lost arts and the forgotten crafts. Today, we are going to, actually, Brian is going to be showing me and you how to put a handle on a knife blade, which I ordered from the Crazy Crow, actually two of them, from the Crazy Crow Trading Company, crazycrow.com. And, well, what are we going to do?
Well, on this one, we're going to put full scales on, slab handles. These are both kitchen knives. They're thin and they'd be just great in the kitchen. Good high carbon.
These are for an old friend of mine who's a real gourmand, really likes cooking, and these are not stainless steel, right? So, you know, my friend that'll be okay with him, but in other words, you have to take care of them.
Yeah, but the trade-off is that you get a nicer piece of steel to work with. It'll hold an edge much better than stainless steel. Stainless is great for kitchen work too, because, you know, cutting up tomatoes or strawberries or any of the acidy sort of foods will turn a carbon blade black. So that's a nice place for stainless. But for cutting meat and other, you know, veggies and things like that, nothing beats a carbon steel for its sharpness.
And then, so this is a full tang,
half-tang. Yeah. And there's a couple of ways of mounting a handle onto a knife like that. You can use two slabs and put them together and just, you know, mill out the area that the tang is going to occupy. I would prefer taking a solid piece of material and making a cut into it that will receive the tang and leaving the handle solid behind it. I think that's what we're going to try to do today.
And in terms of the material,
that's cut out of a cherry burl. It's like one of these, kind of a grow over where a limb had died and then the tree healed over it.
Yeah, burl it's really kind of a bump on the side of a tree.
If you look at this one, this is oak, white oak in fact. Where should I hold it to get a good close-up of the grain structure of that? It just goes crazy. Again, this isn't a true burl. This is a grow over, and a burl is more of a growth thing on the side of a tree. But both of them offer incredible grain.
Yeah, that's pretty incredible.
The first step would be I usually like to make a template just to kind of get things going. So I've got some material here. It's a thin plastic. You can use cardboard or poster board or whatever. I'm going to trace the, actually we're going to do that over. You're going to trace it out because you're building this thing, not me. Yeah, that looks good.
So then...
Good.
So I did it asymmetrically on purpose.
No, really?
Because one side will be the bottom.
Yeah.
Because that would be where you need the more of a knob.
Good. Now we pick our poison. Which one of these materials are we going to use? Structurally, I'm seeing some cracks that go up into it 1.5 inches. So to play it safe, we'd have to stay away from that. And I'm also looking for wormholes.
Which direction?
Well, once you're in the burl, it kind of doesn't matter too much because it's like a swirl thing, and it makes for very strong. I mean, I make mallets. I've got one right here made out of an oak burl. I'm pretty sure after I'm gone, somebody still will be using it, and it won't fall apart for them either.
I love that one because it looks like a piece of meat, you know, like a...
Oh yeah. Yeah. So in there, I think anywhere below this point here, because you can see it starts to turn into just regular cherry
wood.
Make sure you mark it good.
First question is, where's the on switch?
Oh, it's got the white box. Yep.
There we go.
It's the one.
All right.
Everybody step back.
almost there.
Curves a little bit like this. So this is the only place that you're going to be working. Be mindful to keep the file flat against the bottom. That only cuts on the push, where the teeth are made on that file.
There.
That's dandy.